So, good afternoon. My name is Tenshi Arsenio, and this is my video recording for CW3, which is all about ISBN. So, a quick history about ISBN. ISBN is stands for International Standard Book Number. So, it is a unique identifier for books, and it is used for globally for ordering, inventory, and sales. So this number helps publishers, bookstores, and libraries worldwide to list, order, and track books easily and accurately. So basically, it's a unique identifier given to each edition and variation of a published book. So next, the history. The ISBN system was introduced in 1970. So originally it started with 10 digits, which is called ISBN 10. And after, in 2007, it switched to 13 digits to align with EAN barcodes. This transition improved compatibility with international retail systems and modern bookstores. So the structure of ISBN 10. So the ISBN 10 has 4 groups. So the first group is a 1 bit or 1 number. So it represents the group or the language or the country. So next is the 2-bit or 2 number. So it represents the publisher. And the next is a 5 number group. So it represents the title number, while the last is Y. It represents the check digit. So next is the structure of ISBN 13. So going back, the check digit is a digit which validates the number to prevent errors. So next is ISBN 13. ISBN 13, the format is much more similar to ISBN 10. The only difference is we add a prefix which is 978 or 979. So this is the example. 978 is the prefix, 0 is the group number, 7356 is the publisher number, 2387 is the title number, and 3 is the check digit. So how we how do we solve ISBN 10? So ISBN 10, we will simply multiply the position from 1 to 9. Then we will add the results. We will get the sum. Next is we will divide by 11. Then the remainder will be the check digit. So for the solving of the ISBN 13. For the ISBN 13, this method is slightly different. So we will simply multiply each digit alternately by 1 and 3. Then we will take the sum modulo 10 and subtract it from 10. If the result is 10, the check digit is 0. So we will take the modulo 10 and subtract from 10. So for example, our first example is we will solve for the check digit of 088743. So at first glance, this is a ISBN 10 rather. So we will solve the numbers and we will multiply each numbers from 1 to 9 depending on the position of the numbers in the code. So we will multiply this by 1, 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 times 1 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. 0 times 7 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 5 times 9 is 45. So we will simply add all of the digits which is listed. So let me get my calculator. So, so we will add from top to bottom 0 plus 16 plus 24 plus 28 plus 20 plus 18 plus 8 plus 45 plus 0. It's all equals to 159. So we will take the 159 divided by 11. So and we will get the remainder. So 159 divided by 11. This is 1, 49, 4, 44. 49 minus 44 is 5. So remainder 5. So the check digit is 5. Check digit is 5. So for the next example, we will convert an ISBN 10 to ISBN 13. So for the conversion, we will add the prefix of 978, then copy. Just put it here, 015. So according to the instructions earlier, we will multiply rather by 1 and 3. So 9 times 1 is 9. 7 times 2 is 21. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. So 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 13 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. And 5 times 6 is 15. So we will add all of the digits together. 9 plus 21 plus 8 plus 24 plus 8 plus 24 plus 7 plus 12 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 15. So, oh, wait. Sorry, it's an error. So we will, again, this is 0 times 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 8. So my apologies, this is a mistake. So we will add again 9 plus 21 plus 8 plus 0 plus 8 plus 24 plus 7 plus 12 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 15. So we have the number 108. So we will take the mod we will take the sum modulo of 108, which is the sum modulo of 108 is 8. So we will subtract this sum modulo. 10 minus 8 is 2. So to complete the ISBN 13, it will be 9, 7, 8, 0, 9, 7, 8, 0, 8, 8, 7, 4, 3, 0, 1, 5, 2. Again, to, to reiterate, we have 9, 7, 8. So 0, 8, then this will be 2. So our final answer is 978088743 So last, we will find the missing digit from this um, ISBN 13. So again, we will multiply alternately by 1 and 3. 5, 5. The missing digit will be represented by X. So times 1 times 3 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 times 1 times 3. So 9 times 1 is 9, 21, 8, 9 times 3 is 27, 7 times 1 is 7, 1 times 3 is 3, 6 times 1 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 1 is 5. So we will, the missing number will be temporarily represented by 3x. So continue, 0 times 1 is 0, 7 times 3 is 21, 6 times 3 is 18. So since 6 is the check digit, we will erase this from our equation. So we will add up all this excluding the 3x. So it will be equal to 112. 112 or wait. This equals to 122 rather. 122. So we will add the check digit. It's equals to 128. So we take the um modulo of 128. So it is equals to 12. So we will take this 3x is equals to 12. So x is equals, divide both sides by 3, 3, x is equals to 4. So our missing number is 4. So that's all for this topic. So thank you for watching.